This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Jack and support front with wheel removal. Select first gear and apply the handbrake. Using the locking wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the front wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the front subframe jacking point, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Position the axle stands under the sill jacking points, then lower the jack. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Working in a diagonal pattern, tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque.